After 12 years, you're firing me? Because of this machine?
Mia, please sit down.
No. Just tell me why.
The new AI system can do your job.
My job?
Most of it.
I helped build that system.
I know.
Then why am I the one leaving?
Because the company is changing.
And who gets the new job?
Jessica.
Jessica? Mia, I'm really sorry. Are you? I didn't ask for this. You got the new AI job? Yes. How long have you worked here? 1 year. I've worked here for 12! I know. And I trained you. I know. So why are you staying? Mr. Carter said I can learn a new role. A new role? They will train me for a new role. And nobody offered me that? I don't know. Mr. Carter, I need to ask you one thing.
What is it?
Why Jessica?
She has potential.
Potential?
Yes.
What about my experience?
Your experience is valuable.
Then why am I fired?
AI changed the job.
No, you changed the job.
Mia,
I gave you 12 years.
I know.
I came early.
I know.
I stayed late.
I know.
And now a machine is worth more than me?
That's not what I'm saying.
Then what are you saying?
I'm saying your position is gone.
Yes,
And reskilled means?
learning new skills for a new job.
So Jessica gets new skills, Dowles,
Yes.
and I get nothing?
Mia, I'm sorry.
Sorry doesn't pay my rent.
I understand.
No, you don't.
Wait.
What?
It's about the AI system. What about it?
Who checks its work?
The system checks itself.
That's impossible.
Why?
Because AI can make mistakes.
Our system is very accurate.
Did you test it?
Yes.
Who tested it?
The tech team.
Not me?
No.
Then you don't know what you're replacing. Fine. I'll find another job.
Mom, how was work?
I don't have work anymore.
What?
AI replaced me.
But you worked there for 12 years.
I know.
What will you do now?
I don't know.
Why don't you learn AI?
Learn AI?
Yes, if AI took your job, learn how to use it.
Maybe you're right. Okay. Let's learn. What would you like to learn? AI.
Let's start with the basics.
Basics?
The simple?
The simple and important parts.
Okay, I can do that.
What is AI?
Artificial intelligence.
Correct.
What does accuracy mean?
How often something is correct.
So if AI makes a mistake, you should check it. I can check it. Good. Again. Let's try. Again. Wait, what is this? This report is wrong. And this one too. Oh no.
Mia?
Your AI system is making mistakes.
How do you know?
Because I checked it.
You checked the system?
Yes.
How?
I learned how.
We need your help.
You need my help now?
Yes.
After firing me?
I made a mistake.
You did.
I want to offer you a new position.
What position?
AI Operations Manager.
You want me to manage the system?
Yes.
And what about my old salary?
We can offer you much more.
How much?
10 times your old salary.
Why?
Because now you understand both sides.
You want someone who knows when AI is wrong.
Exactly.
And you think that's me?
I know that's you.
Then I have one condition.
What?
No worker should be replaced without a chance to learn.
Agreed.
Mia? Yes? Can you teach me? Teach you what? AI. You already have the new role. But I don't know what I'm doing. You don't? No. Then sit down. You're really going to help me? Yes. Thank you, Mia. What would you do if AI replaced your job? Would you give up, or would you learn something new? Tell me in the comments. No one says anything. Just look at your condition. Neither a good house, nor good clothes. What sin am I paying for that I have to spend my life with a poor potato?
I am working hard. With time, everything will change.
Just be a little patient. Patience, patience. I've spent my whole life being patient. I'll have to eat these vegetables my whole life! It would have been better to stay unmarried than to marry this unlucky potato. I will keep working hard. God willing, one day my hard work will surely pay off.
And then I will give my wife everything she needs. I will fulfill all her wishes. Oh wow, madam! I have never seen such a beautiful carrot in this market before. Can I help you with something?
Yes, you are also very handsome.
This beauty, this elegance. I have become crazy about you.
So much wealth, so much grandeur. I wish my life were like this too.
Your life could be like this too. Think about it.
Are you making bread? What else would I be doing? I've become like a servant. I don't know what sin I'm being punished for. Just a little patience, my dear. I think our harvest is going to be very good this time.
Then you'll see. I'll keep you like a queen.
Stop making these fantasy plans and please stay a little away from me. The smell of your torn clothes suffocates me. Look at him, wants to make me a queen. His own condition is worse than a beggar's, and he'll make me a queen. Ha!
I should think about eggplant, because this is the only way out of this hell.
Otherwise, staying with this broke potato, I'll grow old before my time. And anyway, eggplant likes me too. And why wouldn't he? I think I'm very beautiful. Hey, eggplant sir.
Why can't I come?
Why not? Consider it your own home.
So, what did you decide?
What is there for me to decide? Your memory kept me awake all night.
If that's the case, then let's get married.
And anyway, this poverty doesn't suit you. You deserve someone rich like me.
All that is fine, but perhaps you're forgetting. I am married. Potato is my husband, and with him around, how can I marry you?
Then let's remove him from the way.
How?
Tomorrow, when he goes to the fields, you mix the special powder into his food. And this way, he will quietly get out of our way.
Yes, this will work. This is the only way to get rid of this unlucky one.
He feels like poison to me, that unlucky wretch. Just today, and after that I will get out of this poverty forever. And then I will have nothing but fun.
Is my food ready?
Yes, Potato, today I made your favorite food, so you have to finish it all.
All right, I'm off now, my dear wife.
Yes, go, go. This is your last meal. Good, today I'll finally be free of this trouble. Then I'll marry Eggplant and live in luxury my whole life.
Carrot takes such good care of me. And here I am, unable to even buy her nice clothes. I just hope this time my harvest is good. Then I will fulfill all of Carrot's wishes.
This food is all ruined.
Thank goodness, today this potato's story will end, and then the two of us will get married and be together forever.
Yes, Eggplant.
All right, I should get going now, since I also need to prepare for the wedding.
Eggplant and Carrot are getting married. Such a huge betrayal against Brother Potato.
I have to tell Brother Potato about this.
I am very hungry.
On my way, my foot slipped and all the food fell into the mud.
Before wasting, you should have thought that you are a poor and broke potato.
Now go and starve. There's nothing else to eat in the house.
Okra brother, it's been a long time since I've seen you. Is everything all right?
Everything is not all right, Potato brother. That.
Hey Okra brother, you're like a friend to me. Speak openly, whatever you want to say. Potato brother, today I saw a rich eggplant at your house. He and Carrot were planning a wedding together.
What nonsense are you talking? You are my friend. But that doesn't mean you say such useless things about my wife.
My wife can never betray me. That certainly doesn't mean she would plan a marriage with Eggplant. Understand? Now get out of my sight and never show your face again.
Believe me, I had it all planned out. It should have worked.
This unlucky one's fortune is so good that he couldn't even eat that food.
Now I will have to do this myself. This evening, I will run him over with my car.
I want to see this scene too.
Then it's settled. Ha! Be ready this evening. It's evening now. Let me head home. Okra Brothers' words have messed with my mind.
Let me just go home and see my dear wife's face, so my heart can find some peace. What happened to my friend? Someone help! We need help over here!
Today, the two of us have become one.
Yes, Carrot G, and now we will stay together forever. Forgive me, friend. I didn't treat you well. I should have listened to you. I saw it with my own eyes. My own wife tried to hurt me. Let it go, Potato Brother. Don't cause yourself more pain. Forget it all. Wow, Potato Brother, seems like fate has been kind to you this time. Yes, Okra Brother. God willing, our situation will change now too. Hey Onion, why is no one coming to buy wheat from our shop? Boss, I heard some potato has opened a wheat shop, selling wheat at half price. That's why everyone is buying from him. Okay, but what will happen to us now? I've taken a huge loan from the bank.
What happened, Eggplant? You look worried.
I took a huge loan from the bank and bought wheat from all the landlords in the village.
I thought I would sell it at double the price and make a lot of money.
Some potato is giving everyone wheat at half price. No one is buying from us. Now how will I repay this loan? I spent all my money on buying wheat.
Except for this house, I have nothing left.
and now no one is buying any wheat.
Sir, please hurry. The wheat stored in the warehouse has gotten worms. What? What happened? Oh no, I am ruined. This all happened because of you.
Unlucky carrot! Ever since you came into my house, you brought misfortune with you. Get out of my house, now!
No, eggplant, please, don't do this. Where will I go? I have no one else in this world except you.
Go wherever you want, but get out of my house right now!
Wow, Potato Brother, you've become the boss.
Yes, Okra Brother, but the one for whom I wanted to do all this is no longer with me.
The potato that Eggplant was talking about? It must be my husband. Should I go to him? Will he forgive me?
If you think Carrot deserves a second chance, subscribe to see what Potato decides.
Forgive me, Potato. I made a very big mistake. I am ashamed of my mistake. Please forgive me.
You didn't make a mistake, you committed a sin. And sins are not forgiven, they are punished.
And your punishment is that you will now spend your whole life in jail.
Due to not repaying the loan on time, your house is being seized.
You are being arrested for the crime of attempting to kill Potato.